Hey, welcome back for another 30-minute slot adventure. Today we're playing Gold Blitz Ultimate. We are still seeking a bonus, and we're going to do some auto spins. 50. Here we go.
We are set up for a bonus. We've got a 5 times multiplier. Try.
Yep.
Get this thing to go off.
We keep trying. We're due. Never heard that before. But we do have the bonus beefed up all the way to max. And we have a 5 times multiplier also. So, provided it doesn't land like a 30-cent.
Don't jinx it.
Don't jinx it, yep. Yeah, it never does that.
Oh, come on, briefcases.
Oh, got some numbers at least.
Yeah, I got some dollars, yeah.
Not bad.
No, that's not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Now maybe the bonus will go off too. It's about 10 times, 20 times our bet. Roughly. Come on. Bonus. Bonus for the community. We need 3 bonus symbols in the middle. Another multiplier. Come on. Sneak a little bonus in there for us.
It's nice if you can get the multiplier up there when you do hit the bonus, because then you start off right away with a higher multiplier.
In your free games.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If we get the bonus, it is 8 free.
Ooh, come on, line up both. Oh,
it is
Aaron.
8 free games.
I think you can get all the way up to 12 or 15.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it gives you 3 different options to
Wow,
pick.
I didn't know that. Come on, lightning bolt.
Oh,
it did.
Yeah, I got it. Oh,
something.
Times 3, so a little.
270 on there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, something. Nice. Like, subscribe. Let us know what you think about the games. Come on, farewell bonus. Come on. All right.
Hit it.
Thanks, guys. Love you. Bye.